Last week I worked on some new systems and mechanics as well as improving on some existing ones. One of the new things implemented was a destructible environment. Well, for now the only thing that's destructible is the crates. I also made it so that the crate has a chance of spawning food or a drink after it's destroyed. I originally put the spawn functionality inside the event graph for both the AI and the consumable objects, but copy and pasting these events multiple times is definitely not efficient and would use up more time than I would like. What I did instead was create an actor component and stored the functionality here. So now whenever I wanted an object to spawn food or a drink, I can simply attach the spawner component to the object of my choice, then reference the event I created on the component itself. I created an interface and used the player function I created called hit target that is called on my player every time my player's sword overlaps with another actor. After that, I just add the food and drink spawn rate and I'm good to go. Another thing I implemented was the ability to store items and drinks. Given that I am restricting myself to finishing this game in just 1 month, I decided that instead of researching how to do an inventory system, I'd rather make something smaller and much easier so I can spend time working on other things. For now, I can just store the value of the food and drink on an actor component, and whenever the player picks up a consumable item, it will store itself and appear on the UI. One thing that I added that I really liked was that you are able to see the object that you picked up appear on the side of your screen for about 2 seconds. In order to choose between food or drink, all you have to do is use the scroll wheel and then use E to select whatever item you have. The UI isn't there yet, but the functionality is. Lastly, I spent time improving the AI a bit. I researched behavior trees and blackboards and spent time putting these things together along with blend animations and animation blueprints. Now, AI will patrol its area until the player reaches its sights, then it will target the player. I also added health to the enemies so that they don't die instantly after you attack them.